Hello, welcome back. In the previous video, Coordination Chemistry Part 3, I have written the name of this compound, or you can say complex compound, as di for this ammonia diamine, then for this metal atom silver, then oxidation number of Ag is +1. So in bracket upper Roman numeral 1 is written. Then a gap is introduced. Then the second part, this is the anion, is written. This is di for cyanide. This is cyanido. Then the silver is written as argentate. Then oxidation number of silver is +1. It is written as upper Roman numeral. Then you have to remember there should be a gap between this cation and anion. So between two words, I mean a cation and anion, there should be gap. So this is diamine, silver 1, dicyanide, argentate 1. Next, we will do a question. What is the formula of the following coordination compound? The name of the compound is dichlorido, then bis in bracket ethane 1 2 diamine is there, then central metal atom platinum, four, a gap should be there, then nitrate. We have to write the formula of this complex compound, and this is the cation and this is the anion. Between cation and anion there should be a gap. Between cation and anion there should be a gap. So let us start how to write the formula of this compound. You see, this is the central metal atom and its oxidation number is +4. And you see, in the nomenclature or name, the central atom is written after the ligands. But in the formula, we have to write platinum first and its oxidation number is +4. Then dichlorido. Chlorido means Cl. Di means two chloride ions are there as ligands. So I should write Cl2, PtCl2. Then ethane 1,2 diamine. You can write En. For bis there are two bidental ligands, so we should write En in parenthesis, then 2. This bis is for these two, and for this di it is these two. So PtCl2En2. Then we have to find the charge on the complex part. Then nitrate NO3 minus. How many nitrate ions? That we have to find. So here we have to find the charge first. You see, this is plus 4. Oxidation number of Pt is plus 4. For chlorine it is minus 1, and as there are 2 chloride ions, you should multiply with 2. Then for En the oxidation number is 0. You can write 0 and multiply with 2. Then the charge will be found over here. You see, this is how much? 4 minus 2 plus 0 is equal to plus 2. As it is plus 2, you should write 2 plus over here. Let us write the formula of the compound. Dichlorido, then bis, ethane, 1,2-diamine. There should be no gap. There should be no gap between the letters or the words of the complex part or coordination sphere. Dichloridobis, ethane, 1,2-diamine, then platinum, then in parenthesis upper Roman numeral 4, then nitrate. Nitrate is the anion, or you can say counter ion, and this part is the cationic complex, and it is treated as one word. You won't find any gap between this complex part, but here you can find gap between cation and anion. Then we have to write the formula. Let us write the formula of the above complex compound. In the name you see, the central atom is written after the ligands. So we should write the central atom first, Pt. Before that, a square bracket will be written, Pt, and its oxidation number is plus 4. Then dichlorido, dichlorido. Dichlorido means 2 chloride ligands are there, or 2 chloride ions are there as ligands, so you should write Cl2. Then bis means also there are 2 ethane, 1,2-diamine. It is written as En also. So PtCl2En, and En should be kept in parenthesis, and for this bis you have to write 2. You see, for this di 2 is here, but for this bis 2 is here. Now PtCl2En2, then platinum, then square bracket ends. You see, this is PtCl2En2. Here we have to write the charge on the coordination sphere. Then nitrate. You see, nitrate, its charge is also -1. Let the number of nitrate ions will be x over here. Now we have to find what is x and what is this question mark on the coordination sphere. To find the charge on the coordination sphere, we have to take the help of this 4 and the charge on chloride and charge on ethane 1,2-diamine. You know, for platinum it is +4, it is written. Then for Cl it is -1 into 2, and for En it is 0 into 2. Then the charge on it will be calculated, or +4 -2 plus 0 is equal to, we have to find, or +4 -2 is equal to how much? +2. Or you can say the charge on the cationic complex is +2, so it should be written as 2 plus. And you see, Pt Cl2 En2 charge on it is +2, so you just write 2, its valence is 2. Or you can say then NO3 -1, just write 1. Then this 1 should be written over here and this 2 is written over here. But a bracket is written around NO3. So then the formula will be Pt Cl2 En2 Pt Cl2 En2, and 1 is not necessary to write over here, but we can write NO3 2 PtCl2 En2 NO3 2. So this is the formula of the above complex compound, dichloridobis ethane 1,2-diamine platinum 4 nitrate. Another question is there. We have to write the IPSC name of the coordination compound. Pt NH3 whole 2. Even between the central atom and the ligand there should be no gap. So let me write again. Pt NH3 2 Pt NH3 2 Cl. Here also no gap should be there. So again I have to rob it and then write Cl. Then bracket starts NH2CH3 NH2CH3 bracket ends, then square bracket ends, then Cl. We have to write the name of this complex compound. You see, this is central atom. You see, we are going to write the name of this compound. This is the cation, this is the anion. Cation is written first, then anion, but cation is a complex one and it is written as one word. Here you see central atom is written first in the formula, but in the complex it is written after the name of ligands. And you see there are two ammonia molecules, one chloride ion as ligand, and this is methenamine as a ligand, and this is diamine. This is diamine. Then this one is chloride, but chloride should be written as chlorido, is replaced by O. Then next one, methenamine, here methenamine is written in parenthesis, and you see one thing, there is no gap between letters or words or ligands. Diamine, chlorido, methenamine. Then central metal ion is written over here. This is platinum. Then oxidation number is written in parentheses as upper Roman numeral, that is oxidation state. Here it is 2, or you can say the oxidation number of platinum is +2, and it is written as Roman 2. Then for this chlorine, it is chloride. Between this one and this one a gap is there. The name of this complex compound is diamine, chlorido, methenamine, platinum 2 chloride. And here you remember one thing, there should be no gap between methenamine and platinum. The total name is name of the complex part is one word, and the chloride is written after giving a gap. Thank you for watching the video till the end.